In this video, we will explore the diets for longevity and healthy life. Let's get started. Eat plenty of fruits and vegetables. They contain a lot of fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can strengthen our immune system, prevent chronic diseases from developing, and protect our cells from harm. Eat nuts and nut butters. They are an excellent source of fiber, plant protein, healthy fats, and other nutrients that can enhance heart health, decrease cholesterol, and prevent diabetes. We can avoid overeating and weight gain by eating nuts since they make us feel satisfied and full. Benefits can be obtained by eating a handful of nuts or a spoonful of nut butter each day. Eat less meat and more plant-based protein. Meat, particularly red and processed meat, can raise the risk of diabetes, cancer, heart disease, and stroke. We can get the necessary amino acids from plant-based protein sources such as beans, lentils, tofu, tempeh, quinoa, and hemp seeds without the negative health impacts of meat. Moreover, they have phytochemicals, fiber, and antioxidants that can help our body detoxify and regulate your hormones. Try to keep our meat consumption to once or twice a week, and red meat should always be avoided in favor of lean poultry or fish cuts. Eat more whole grains and less refined grains. Oats, barley, buckwheat, millet, and brown rice are examples of whole grains, which are unbroken grains that still have their bran, germ, and endosperm. They contain a lot of fiber, B vitamins, minerals, and phytochemicals that can reduce inflammation, blood pressure, cholesterol, and blood sugar. Refined grains, which include white bread, white rice, pasta, and pastries, are depleted of these healthy elements and have a high glycemic index, which can cause an increase in insulin and blood sugar levels. The risk of obesity, diabetes, and heart disease can all be raised by consuming an excessive amount of refined carbohydrates. So eating more whole grains and eating less refined grains are good for our health. Eat healthy fats and limit unhealthy fats. Healthy fats, such as polyunsaturated and monounsaturated fats, can protect our blood vessels, boost cognitive function, and lower our cholesterol levels. Foods like olive oil, avocados, almonds, seeds, and fatty fish contain them. Trans fats and saturated fats, for example, can damage the blood vessels, elevate cholesterol, and increase the risk of heart disease and stroke. Foods like butter, cheese, cream, red meat, processed meat, and big products all include them. To get the healthiest fats possible, aim for 25% to 35% of your daily calories to come from fat. Our health is our most significant possession. Therefore, we should strive for a healthier, happier life by making little progress each day. Together, let's create a world where everyone has access to high-quality medical care.